Sir Brian, thank you for the freebie. Sinamahan niya ako ng jack stand. So 3 tons, so medyo mataas to ng konti. I already have one, pero this is a nice addition. Always a nice addition. So yan lang siya. Ayan, take note nyo na lang, screenshot or stop the video or something para makita nyo. Ayan. Ito yung harap. Ito yung side, yung specs niya kunyari. English naman. So danger, do not overload. So 3 tons lang talaga siya. Okay? Sige. So buksan ko lang. Yan. Oh, nice. Okay. So out of the box, ito siya. If you guys can see it. Okay? So ganda naman yung pagkapak. Imagine, oh. Pinlastic, pinaper pa niya individually. Okay, yan sila. Nice, good. Ito yung jack stand itself. Normally, ito lang ang downside nito. This is nicely welded together. That's good. Ito hindi lang siya full weld kasi normally dito naman nagsa-start bumigay. But from the construction itself, mukhang this is okay naman. Not the best, Okay, I've seen better. But then again, ito siya, pero sa kabilang side, other side, fully welded naman siya dito. So actually, maganda yung pagka-weld niya sa labas. And then nag-additional siya ng additional welding dito. So actually, I take it back. Maganda siya. Kasi there's some jacks na parang spot weld lang ganyan, basta sumara, that's it. Okay? So I just realized, una ko kasing nakita to. This is fully welded. This is good. This is good. This is good. And then nag-additional welding pa siya dito. So that's extremely nice. These are marks from this is powder coated, by the way. So durability of the paint, superb. Okay. Dito yan naka-angkla kasi yan, naka-hook yan na ganyan. Tapos pa-powder coat nila and then they send it to an oven. So ito lang may konting marks na siya. Not a problem. This is the lock. Ito yung niya, yung menu niya. So this is the owner's manual. You guys can scan it so you can stop the video or something again.